watch, he's gonna be watching it. Or he knows that I'm on Ustream. He's gonna be expecting this. I'm gonna say I'm gonna act a crazy fan. Have a British accent too? I don't know. What am I gonna say? I'm nervous.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message.
He pressed ignore me because I called from unknown. I'm gonna call again. I'm just gonna harass him. Thank you. I appreciate it. GEWIL101. Okay. Well, that sucks. I'll call Nathan. I won't block my number though, so I'll actually answer. Actually, I will block my number so that way I can prank call him. Unless he's watching, then this just is pointless. Hi. Hello?
Hello?
Who's this? Nathan hung up on me. I'm gonna call him back. Okay, ready? Oh my god, is this Nathan from Alabama Capital?
Oh, it's not.
No?
Okay. Hello?
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 Who is
Is this Nathan? This? Is it Caleb? Oh my god, is this Caleb?
Hello?
Yes?
Who is it?
My name's Brid. My name's.
Pretty sure she's Swedish.
Oh my god, I totally love you. No, this is Bridget. I'm Sel Gomez lover.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hi. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
How are you?
I'm really, really good. I love your guys' video.
Oh, thank you.
I just think that you guys
Thank you so
are.
much.
Can you? Okay, well, I was just curious if maybe one day we can get married or something.
Maybe, you never know.
Okay, well, I don't know what else to say. I love your hair. I watch every single YouTube video of your sorry, of your I can't even think. I watch every single YouTube video of your guys's, and I absolutely love you.
Thank you, love you too.
Okay, well, I
gotta finish promoting stuff, but thanks for calling.
okay, well, okay, thanks.
Have a good day.
Bye. That was Nathan, everybody. Should I call him from my number now? Should I do it? Yo. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Nate, did you give my number to some girl?
No, I didn't buy.
Because she's called me 3 times.
Did you get a call too?
Yeah, I got an unknown call from this girl, and she's like, this is my Twitter link, will you please follow me? And I was like, oh.
That you the whole time. You're such an idiot.
You're so gullible. You're on speaker. I'm on Ustream.
Hey, I'm gonna put you on speaker with Caleb here. Are you on your stream right now?
Yeah, I'm on Ustream. And everybody's laughing.
Alright.
Everyone's laughing at you.
You know what?
Say hi to everyone.
Hey, what's up?
Everyone's laughing at you. They were like, call us a crazy fan. So I called us a crazy fan, and you actually believed me.
Your Twitter handle, that's so funny. Your handle was believable.
Well, because I saw some random person on Ustream, and I was like, my name is Sel Gomez